Right? Who will run the hospital? Who will run the sea ambulance? Mga Filipino healthcare professionals. Dahil ang Filipino healthcare professionals are also known worldwide na napakagaling. No? So ang problema, ang power nandiyan, expertise nandiyan, donors nandiyan. No? It's just that we have to have a collaboration. Now you are still part of the government, right? What is your position right now?
Ako ho ang barangay captain ng barangay Buhangin, Atibonin, Quezon.
And for those who are not aware of this, no, si Derek Mabuhos, ang very instrumental person na nagkaroon kami ng 2 beses na successful medical mission sa barangay Buhangin, Timonan, Quezon. Siya ay barangay chairman dyan. The first one was August 21, 2011. Now today, September 12, right? 12? Yeah, September 12, 2013. So in other words, meron na tayong track record, no? Supportahan natin ng Brothers Brother Foundation. Now I would like to make a personal appeal to Brothers Brother Foundation that you are thinking of another project and we are appealing for your assistance to have a sea ambulance, equip us with the necessary tool, and also the possibility of coming up with a floating hospital along the coastal towns of Quezon Province. Sana makuna natin ng kunting video footage yung ganda to, no? It's not only the health services that we can bring in. With this floating hospital, sea ambulance, we can even enhance tourism. Can you imagine kung merong nakaredy dyan na sea ambulance? Malamang ang mga tourists, foreigners, gusto magpunta ng Quezon because any accidents, no? Any emergencies, meron ka agad, no? Meron ka agad tutulong, no? And also can create jobs. In the long run, all this can be translated into poverty alleviation, no? Poverty alleviation, we have the right people to do this, we have the right environment, we have the right services, and of course the right leaders like you. No? I commend you for coming up with that idea of sea ambulance when you were serving as a board member. Sana naging gobernador ka na lang ng province of Quezon. Anyways, thank you so much for the short sharing of ideas, and hopefully we'll be able to touch the leadership of Brothers Brother Foundation. President Luke, you will see this video. So support us in this undertaking. Thank you.